Hi, welcome to 3 Inches Hand Embroidery. I'm Eric. In this video, I'll show you how to embroider the face and skin with split stitch. Subscribe my channel for more interesting hand embroidery videos. There are two ways to do the split stitch. The first one is send the needle through the floss from the rear side of the fabric. This is a little bit difficult for the beginners, but it will save you some flosses. If you're using the first method, you have to hold the floss tight from the rear side so it will be easier for you to send your needle through the floss. The second method, send the needle through the floss from the right side of the fabric. It's easier to do the split stitch in this way, so this is more suitable for beginners compared to the first one. These are the boxes that fill out with split stitch in one strand and two strands. Obviously, the split stitch that made with one strand is smoother. Set up the stitches direction before you start embroidering. You can do it either way. There's no right or wrong as long as the outcome looks nice. And now I'll show you how I fill out the face and skin with split stitch in one strand. I hope you have found this video useful. You can support me by clicking on the like and subscribe button, and you're always welcome to leave a comment below if you have anything to ask or say. Thank you for watching.